Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make apple crisp chips. You can either start off by cutting an apple in half like this, and then cutting the halves into little slivers. Or if you have something called a mandolin, it might be easier and quicker to just cut the apple into little slivers using the mandolin. So either method works. As you can see, that is the mandolin. But I was also doing a few apples just by hand, just cutting it by hand. So either way works.